everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on SIBONGILE and the DLAMINIS from the 16th to the 18th of October 2023 on Monday. Vusi finally gets the recognition he has been looking for with Gcina's help. Nomalanga isn't pleased when she walks in on noKwenzoo having tin fish and pap with SIBONGILE in the servants' quarters. Deliwe lies to Vuma about Zexi being Mangoba's father and throw Velephi under the bus, claiming that Velephi has been lying to them about Sipho. When Zeni reacts to taking an overdose of edibles, which makes Phetheni and Njengaye wonder where they went wrong as parents on Tuesday. Nomalanga accuses noKwenzoo of having changed, but he denies it. The helpers aren't happy about SIBONGILE and noKwenzoo's closeness, and things go from bad to worse for SIBONGILE when Phetheni calls Deliwe to come talk some sense into him. Vuma isn't impressed when Zex comes blasting music and offering his soon-to-be father-in-law whiskey. Velephi or Phetheni tried too hard to mend her relationship with Wenzeni and invite Crack for a movie at her house on Wednesday. SIBONGILE is burdened by her feelings and takes it out on noKwenzoo. The pending lobola negotiations bring more gloom than excitement to Velephi. Phetheni has an unpleasant surprise for Wenzeni and her guest. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.